How do these perps know from a distance when you start filming them and they don't physically see you? No wonder I was just feeling vibrating, because they just had a perp use a loud motorcycle that was cranking it up. Now, the very moment I press record, now they stop. I'm like, what the hell y'all doing? Okay. I wish y'all could see this. A fucking dirty ass gang stalking perp idiot just put a freaking bag of chips. Right by my fucking, like, wow. Like, why the hell they come just fucking with me like this for no reason? It wasn't a bag that just flew here. Somebody put this here. Fuck.